Hi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new sheet to all Excel files in the directory. Say, for example, you're lucky enough to have a farm in Scotland called Majestic Farm. If you've ever been to Scotland, you know why it is majestic. And you have a number of files called fields, called coastal field, hill field, river field. And you do grow potatoes. So your file holds a list of harvest for every year, and thanks to global warming, you now would like to start growing bananas in Scotland. And before you do that, you need to plan for it, and therefore you would like to add bananas sheet to all the files in the directory. Let me show how. Let's first close the file. Let's start from ID directory. Call it new directory, let's call it farm. Select the path. Oh, here's our magic farm. Then we create new workflow called growing bananas. Okay. What we need to do first, we need to add loop action. We will use it to loop over the files in the directory. And it is also our starting point. We'll use mask to find those files. We will assign the file to the variable. Let's call a file. Let me show you why we're using loop. We need to add another action called show message. And what we want to do, we want to show the file name. Let's run it. See, that's the file name. It's another file and another file. Let's delete it. And now we can add new actions called add sheet. Again, we will use file. File is a variable. And sheet is called bananas. And it will be our last bit. Okay, and we need to close the loop. Save it, and let's run it, see what happens. Let's open the file. And now we have bananas. Let's run it again, see what happens. It failed. Why it failed? Because we have already added the sheet to the file. And in the next video, I'm going to show how to check if file has already got a sheet. So we'll avoid the error. Okay, thank you for watching. if you have any questions about live in Scotland, of course, or need any help, please go to our support forum. We'll do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.